guys, welcome back to another video. I'm gonna teach you how to add custom cosmetics like this, so you can have like a row of cosmetics here that aren't from this update, or you can add custom cosmetics that you added yourself. I will actually teach you how to add actual custom cosmetics in the next video. But just in this video, I'm just gonna teach you how to make a rich, like how to add cosmetics from different updates into your store. If you want to do that, I already did a little testing here, so I'm just gonna delete that real quickly so I can teach you guys right now how to do it. Okay, so what you're gonna do is go over here. If you click on one of these, it's probably gonna select all those, so that you don't want to do that. Click on the button right here. We're gonna click here, right here. You're gonna copy that, Control C, Control V, right here. Now you have it. Now, what you're gonna do too is also click up here, right here, gizmos, that one and that one. And then you're gonna Control C, Control V again, like so. So you have these. Add those two onto there, like so. So we have that one right there. And then what you want to do is move this over here. Make it so they're all facing the way you want them to be facing, and wherever, put it wherever you want, like so. I'll put mine a bit more up, like so. Then you're gonna drop down party hat one. Right here, you want to turn on that mesh renderer, and then right here, head model, you're gonna turn that on. Boom, it's gonna be bright like that. What you want to do is just add a, just go search up like gray or something, and then change the color to whatever color you want to kind of match over here. And then once you're done that, you can turn off gizmos, click on the cosmetic, and then click here, the mesh, click the little circle, and then search up any cosmetic you want. I'm gonna do, what should I do? I am going to do, I'm gonna do the turkey leg. I spelled that wrong. Just gonna do the 2020 turkey leg. That is the wrong one. I want the small one. Yes, this one. Like so. No, just angle it wherever you want it to be, or however you want. I'm just doing turkey leg, so it's a bit different. Make it wherever you want. If you're adding a hat, do what you want with it. It doesn't matter where you put it or anything. Okay, now that you put your, once you're done putting your cosmetic everywhere, you can leave this, the name alone, or change it if you want. Now you have your cosmetic. Go down here. Drop. This will probably be undropped. Undrop this cosmetic item. Go here. Click the cosmetic name right here. Change it to whatever your cosmetic name is. Mine is obviously turkey leg, right there. Now copy this, paste it here, here, and here. Now item category, change it to whatever your category is: hat, badge, face, holdable. Mine's obviously a holdable. Item picture, just gonna search up your thing in there, and then make it 1,000. And then can try on, and then if it's a holdable, I'm just gonna turn on both hands holdable, like so. And now we're done. That's it. 5 seconds to do it, and we're done. That is how you add custom cosmetic or cosmetics from older updates into your store and make and made them buyable as well. And also another thing, once you've done that, click over here, undrop this, and delete this other one. just so there is two. Because what we did was we copied that one, we copy and pasted that one, and then we selected it again and the text again, and then copied and pasted again and moved over here. So there was another duplicate over here. So you want to come back and delete that one, so you don't have two duplicates. Now I'm gonna just do this because I can. I'm just gonna line it up with the party hat just so it does look better. I think that's no, that's not right now. Right there. That should be good enough. Now, once you're done, you can change the name if you want. Don't if you want. Doesn't matter. Now we are done adding cosmetic from older updates into your store and making them buyable, like so. If we go into play mode real quickly. Like so. Oh, I don't have WSD. Okay. Hold up real quick. Oh wait, no, I can't do that. It just kicked me out of the play mode. Okay. Okay. I'll have to fix that later. Okay. If your city's not already turned on, turn it on. Then you're just gonna go over here. You're gonna go right here. Click here. Test press. Whoa. Why is that purple? I don't know. And then it should be right over here. You just click that. Click test press. Click this. Click test press. Click this. Click test press. And boom, now you should have whatever cosmetic you want, whatever cosmetic you got. Let's go in here, go to your area. That's cool. Maybe I don't have a DLC actually. Did I buy it? Maybe I did not buy it. Hold on, let's see. Click that one. And then click that one. Oh yeah, I don't think I have a DLC. So mine doesn't work because I don't have a DLC in my playfab. But yeah, yours should work. Yours should yours should work if you followed my steps correctly. Anyways, that's all I got for you guys today. I'm gonna be doing a thing where I am going to try and post every single day if I can. I'm sorry if I do miss a day, if I'm hanging out with friends or just sick or something like that. Even if I am sick, I'm probably still gonna do a video because, well, I'm just gonna be at my computer watching videos or something. I got nothing really better to do if I'm sick. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Yeah, I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. And I'll see you guys in the next video. So, bye.